Be a part of innovation through a new tool set for real estate. With 5 years of experience at KORDAN, we specialize in software development for virtual reality, allowing you to explore, design, and get to know your real estate project in a new way. Whether it is a house, department, office, or exterior, we have an option for you. Through our service, you'll get the advantage to sell your project before or while your construction is taking place, as well as being able to analyze and improve any structural detail or material selection. Be able to take your project anywhere you wish, giving your clients the possibility of experiencing it as if they were physically there. They will be capable of comfortably changing materials, finishes, and colors of their liking, making every visit a personalized experience without the need for troublesome sample books. Likewise, you'd be given the possibility to cast your headset image to any available smartphone or smart TV, so that any companions may be able to see and choose with your client. Thanks to a simple and intuitive single-buttoned functionality, any client will be able to move around the virtual space without any concerns, since the last-gen sensors on the headset and its Guardian system protect the user from within the virtual space at all times. In a single headset, you may carry up to 60 virtual reality projects, and due to its convenient size, it can be easily carried without a computer or any sort of complicated connections. Join the new way of creating and exhibiting spaces with the solutions KORDAN delivers for your projects.